Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's the holiday season, so I felt like I should record a super cute holiday look. As you can see, you guys, I have the wig that I dyed for my hairline, green dresses. I dyed it like a ginger, and if you want to see that watercoloring video, it's on my channel as well. I have to figure out how to do the link to the other content. It's like annoying. But anywho, I wanted to do a super cute brown reddish look today to match with my hair. So let's get into it. So brows are literally everything to me, and I feel like if your brows look crazy, then your whole face is gonna look crazy, sis. And we're not doing that in 2020. Well, we shouldn't have been doing it, period, but we're not doing it in 2020. We're gonna have cute brows. I'm gonna actually stop doing brows in my videos because I feel like it takes too much time in the actual video. But if you guys want me to do a brow tutorial, I could do that too, and show you guys like if you have sparse brows, like how to make them look fuller and stuff. So just let me know in the comments below. I've had this LimeCrime Diamond Crushers like liquid shadow for so long now, but this like pigment is bomb. Like, it's really good. I would just say it's honestly too expensive. I think it's like $20 on their site. It's not really worth $20. It's probably worth like $10, $12, but it does do a really good job, and it's perfect if you're not really good at blending shadows yet and you're just starting out your makeup. NYX pigment. It's like $3 or $4. And honestly, this was like my lazy eye. I didn't feel like blending like that day, and I just really wanted to do something quick and cute. So as you can see, there's minimal blending, so I feel like this look is super beginner friendly because you don't have to be really good at blending your colors the way, you know, another look like a cut crease or something would take. Now y'all know I had to get hype, okay? Because now it's time for lashes. And I do have a video on how to apply lashes with long nails if you guys want to check that out on my channel as well. And these lashes are fuckboy free. They're super cute. Like, these lashes are honestly good with like a natural face, a beat face, everything. I wore these lashes with every kind of look, and it just gives it that extra boom, boom. And I don't really like using eyeliner on top of my eyes, like in my looks. It's just a personal preference. So for me, I need lashes that look natural and blend in with my lash line really well, and I feel like these definitely do it. So make sure you cop it at JuheardCosmetics.com because it's lit, sis. Now I'm going in with this LimeCrime lip liner. I honestly don't remember the shade. It's like a nude shade. And I got it from their wet cherry kit a couple months ago, like 6 months ago, something like that. But it's pretty cool. I think like I said, I feel like LimeCrime products is overpriced, but that's just me. And our JJuheard Cosmetics lip gloss, vegan, cruelty-free, sis, don't harm the animals, in Cinnabons, and this is like a burnt red. I want to call it a ginger color because it matches my wig perfectly, but as you can see, my lips look mad nourished, sis. I mean, look at them, just juicy baby. Oh yeah. Now let me stop. But for real though, if y'all want to copy that, it's at JuheardCosmetics.com as well. And they really make good lip toppers. You can use it as an everyday gloss, a dramatic look, whatever your preference is. I definitely recommend this gloss. Now I'm going in with Artist Couture highlighter in Illuminati, and honestly, y'all, I'm not gonna front. Artist Couture got some bomb highlight. They're a little more on the expensive side too. I think this was made by an influencer. I forgot his name, but this highlight is definitely bomb. Like, it's my go-to highlighter besides like Anastasia's highlight. So I definitely recommend it if y'all gonna, you know, take a little splurge or whatever. And this is like a white shimmery diamond highlight, so as you could see, it's just like, it's literally perfect though. Like, it makes me look like a goddess. So y'all definitely want to cop this. And y'all, this is my final look. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Do you feel like I did a little bit too much? Do you feel like I didn't do enough? And I would really love to know what kind of looks you guys want to see, so I can do more of that on my channel. So just let me know, and make sure you hit that subscribe button, sis, because we pumping out content. We're not playing in 2020. Okay, bye.